Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take off and install some decals for your mountain bike, particularly for GoPro stop recording. So today I'm going to be taking off these RockShox Zeb decals, and I'm going to be putting on some new decals, and this will be a hint of the new bike day that I'm going to be starting to build. So if you want to see videos on how to build your own mountain bike, or you want to see what I'm going to be coming up with, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, well, you don't have to I guess, but first thing I want to do is make sure all my stickers are completely straight. So what we're going to do is use some blue tape, and we're going to mark the top and mark the bottom of exactly where the sticker is. So when we take it off, when we put the new one on, we know exactly where to put it. Alright, so now the next thing you want to do is get either a heat gun or a hair dryer. I used to use a hair dryer, but now I bought this Wagner heat gun. It was only, I think, 25 bucks about a year ago on Walmart or Amazon. I forget where I bought it, but yeah, you can use either a heat gun or a hair dryer. It doesn't have to be a particular heat source. Just you need to heat up the decal enough where the stickiness, the film, will get really soft, and then you can just peel it off. So we're going to do that. So when I use the heat gun, I like to heat up the part where I'm going to start peeling, and then I'm going to heat up the rest of it as I go on, and then hopefully I can peel it off in one swipe. So now as you see it start to peel, you want to keep on heating it and pull it in a 45-degree angle when you're taking off your sticker or decal. Another thing you gotta note is don't heat it too hot because the stickers will rip. Bam, one. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is get all your old adhesive off. So I use adhesive removal wipes. You can use this, you can use Goo Gone, anything that you can find to take the adhesive off. Next step you want to do is wipe off all the solvent that you use to take off the adhesive. And then after that is to put the decals on. So the other thing that you just want to make sure is, as you notice, I was going with just one finger, keeping it straight up and down. So this whole big part of the decal wouldn't get folded at any areas. And you can start from the top and work your way to the bottom. I particularly didn't, but you can start either way. The goal is just to not get any bubbles. Yeah. Alright, so there you have it. How to put decals on your mountain bike, or particularly your fork. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more videos on how to do things like this for your bike, please subscribe and stay tuned, because the next video will be how to put your frame protection on your new frame. Thanks for watching.